This 2022 Dutchmen Atlas 2202RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 26 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, oven, stovetop burner, smoke detector, awning, LP detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Atlas 2202RB is 5,860 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.